Product of binomial by a binomial. Question: find the product of binomial and binomial. Binomial means two terms multiply two terms. Again, we have two methods for this purpose: horizontal method and vertical method. But before that, you must note two things. Number one, 3x square y square plus 2x square y square. It means same powers will be same variables with same powers will add, whereas different powers, different variables cannot be added. You got it? 3x square y square plus 2x square y square. Okay? Same variables with same powers can add or subtract. You must know about it. 3x square minus 2xy square and 5x square minus 4xy square. Always remember that in the multiplication, you have to multiply this first term with the whole term, then second term with the whole term. Okay, now start. 3x square multiplied by 5x square and minus 4xy square. Okay, 3 5s are 15 and x raised to power 2, x raised to power 2. Bases are same, power will be add. So it will like that, x2 raised to power 2 plus 2. Okay, next 3x square multiply 4xy square. What it becomes? 3 4s are 12 and x raised to power 2. And here what is the sign of x? 1. When it shows no power, it means it is 1. Okay, 2 plus 1 become like that 3. And there is no y here, but we have y square here. This y square will remain same. And plus minus minus. When no sign here, it means it is positive. So as we know, plus minus minus. You got it? I repeat. 3 5s are 15. X raised to power 2 plus 2 like that. Minus 3 4s are 12. X raised to power 2 plus 1 like that, and y square will remain same. Now next, minus 2xy square multiply the whole term. So minus for 2 5s are minus 10. X raised to power 1 1 1. The plus 2 bases are same, power will be add. X raised to power 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 and y square will remain same. Okay, minus 2 multiply minus 8 minus minus plus. It become 2 4s are 8. And x here and x here. X is to power 1 plus 1. Now what is y? Y bases are same. Power will be at 2 plus 2 like that. You got it? Now solve it. 15 x raised to power 4 minus 12 x cube 2 plus 1 3 cube y square minus 10 x 1 plus 2 3 x cube y square plus 8 1 plus 1 2 x raised to power 2 by 4. Okay, now solve it. I have told you before starting this session, you must remember that having same variables, same powers can easily add. Now 15x raised to power 4. Do we have another x raised to power 4? No, we have y raised to power 4, but we don't have x raised to power 4. So this will remain same. Now next, minus 12x cube y square minus 10x cube y square. As you know, minus minus plus, we do plus, but sign will be of big value. Here 12 is big one. So 12 plus 10, 22. Minus minus plus, we do plus, but sign of big value, minus 22. X cube y square plus 8x square y4. This will remain same. You got it? This is a horizontal method of finding binomial into binomial production or your multiplication. Method: 3 square minus 2xy square multiply 5x square minus 4xy square. As you know, they have given us two expressions, two binomials. You can say that one and second. It's up to you which one you like to put first and second. Okay, so I write like that. And remember again, we multiply the first term with the whole term, then second term with the whole term. Okay, let's begin. 5 3s are 15. X raised to power 2, x raised to power 2, bases are same, power will be at x raised to power 4. Next, 5 2s are 10. As you know, plus plus minus minus x raised to power 2, x raised to power 1, it becomes x raised to power q. X raised to power q means 3. Okay, and y square will remain same. You got it? Now multiply the next term, minus 4xy square multiply 3x square. This term multiplied by the whole term. So 4 3s are 12. It become 12. It become 12. X raised to power 1 plus 2 x raised to power q, and y, there is no y here, so it becomes y square. 12x cube y square. We will put this whole term here, right behind it. Why? Because same variables with same powers can easily add and then subtract. So we place this term right downstairs, right behind it, 10x cube y square. Okay, as you know, minus 4 multiplied by 3. 4 3s are 12. It becomes minus 12. So we write like that. You got it? Now minus minus plus 4 2s are 8. X raised to power 1 plus 1 2, and y to bases are same, power will be add, so it become y 4. I repeat, 4 minus 4 multiplied by 3, 4 3s are 12 minus 12, x raised to power 1 plus 2 become 3, y square will remain same. Next, minus minus plus 4 2s are 8, x raised to power 1 plus 1 2, and y raised to power 2 plus 2 become y4. So now add it. 8x square y4 will remain same. As you know, 15x raised to power 4 will remain same. Now solve it. Plus minus minus plus. In addition, we will do add, but sign of big value will written here. So 10 plus 12, it become 22. X cube y square will remain same. So the answer is 15x raised to power 4 minus 22x raised to power cube y square plus 8x square by 4. You can easily check. Same answers with two different methods. I hope it's clear for you what is the product of binomial into binomial by two different methods.